It has been a long journey and difficult and challenging one also. We have tried to work and get justice delivered to the child who was brutally murdered and gang raped. We have tried that it should not happen again. We have tried to get the accused booked. But in all this, yes, we have suffered a lot. We have faced harassment. We have faced eyes seeing us as if we have committed some offense here in Jammu. Especially, I have felt people are seeing as if I have gone against my own people. But I assure you that I haven't gone. Whenever I would be required for anything, I'm always there. And yes, parents are very poor. They belong to a very poor family. They don't know much. We have been guiding them legally, supporting them so that they stand there for their daughter. They're very, very, very poor people. Very poor people. I don't think if we would have not been there with them, I don't think justice would have been done to the poor child. I really don't think so. It is because of the Honorable High Court that was monitoring the investigation, things changed. Things have improved. The damage that was caused earlier has been repaired to some extent. I'm really thankful to nation, to media that has highlighted the issue, that has been following up the case every time and continuously. I'm thankful that this has also sent positive message throughout the country that we are one, irrespective of the fact what religion we belong to. So this is something very good which has come in. And for Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, I must tell him, sir, you should hold the responsibility of your two BJP MLAs going to Kathua, provoking people to violate the law. I must say, sir, that you should hold the responsibility of Unnao case also, because you are heading it. You are the Prime Minister of the country and you belong to the same party. You should know how to grip your people. You should know how to hold your leaders in BJP, sir. You should be responsible for all these things. If something is wrong committed by your leader, sir, I strongly believe that you should hold responsibility for it.